My name is Naki, and personally speaking about the cabinet which needs to be formed, if we have to say a cluster of cabinets, I will go with the prime minister candidate should be someone like Mr. Vajpayee. If he is not in active politics anymore, but he was the best, I think, that happened to India. Same if I have to go by defense minister, Mr. Kalam can't be our defense minister anymore, but he was one of the greatest presidents India has seen. Talking about finance, I think Manmohan Singh would have been a better finance minister rather than a prime minister. And when we go by home ministry, I think Modi should be made the home minister because he's very active against terrorism and other stuff, and he can just make sure that the border and other things is safe. And when we talk about various other things like which we have surrounding environment and other stuff, I think Jairam Ramesh has done wonderfully as an environment specialist. And then we have like power and renewable sources. Someone who understands it should be made. I think Sharad Pawar would have been a better minister. And talking about agriculture and other stuff, Sharad Pawar has done pretty well. And a few more things like we have Lalu Prasad should be the railway minister. He has done exceptionally well with the railways when he was the railway minister. And when we see about various other portfolios, the parliamentary affairs should be held by Ghulam Nabi Azad. He had done that in a few years back, so he did it pretty nicely. And health is also something which could have been done by Sushma Swaraj because she has good understanding. And Mamta Banerjee should go for children welfare and women. I think that should be from my end. That's my dream cabinet. I think. Cheers.